U.S. How to buy shares of Globe Life Inc. Globe Life is a U.S. life insurance company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GL, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the broker search box and enter the ticker GL to find Globe Life Inc. Choose the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker GL so you are trading the intended asset. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order fills, the Globe Life position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform for reference.